Hi everyone, come shop with me today. This isn't a full shopping trip of everything I eat, just a few things I'm picking up. Some items are actually for my family, not me, like the bread, croissants, chicken, and milk. I'm not really into grapes, but I do love green apples. I won't be buying any today because I already have some at home. For milk, I like to go for grass-fed. And most importantly, I try to keep everything I buy organic whenever possible. Thanks for coming along. Leave me a comment, share this with a friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Love.